Sad movies always makes me cry. He said he had to work, so I went to the show alone. Come on! They turned on the lights and turned the projector on. And as the news of the world started to begin, I saw my darling and my best friend walked in. Though I was sitting there, they didn't see, oh baby. And so they sat right down in front of me. And when he keeps her lips, I almost die. And in the middle of the color cartoon, I started to cry. Oh, sad movies always makes me cry. Oh, sad movies always makes me cry. And so I got out and slowly walked on home. And Mama saw the tears and said, what's wrong? And so to keep from telling her a lie, I just said sad movies makes me cry. Oh, sad movies always makes me cry. Oh, sad movies always makes me cry. Sad movies makes